Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to the 20th video in our digital Arabic calligraphy playlist. I am Hamdallah Salama and I am excited to bring you this community service project from International Open University. In this playlist, we'll explore how to create and design Arabic calligraphy using mobile apps, a powerful way to boost your creativity using just your phone. In this video, module 20, integrating calligraphy with templates using the Ctdesign app. The content will include importing calligraphy into the Ctdesign app and adapting designs to existing templates. This will be the last video in our digital Arabic calligraphy playlist, and it will be very simple since we'll just be making use of the template background effect in the Ctdesign app. So once you open the Ctdesign app, click the sticky note with the pen and then click templates. You can write anything and then click continue. These are the lists of backgrounds. There are all sorts that you can make use of, and there's like a really great variety. I will just be choosing the fourth background available and then we'll click OK. Alright, as you can see, this one resembles like a logo of sorts. This is one of the many uses of the templates in Ctdesign app. You can just simply use them for, let's say, a simple poster to represent maybe a project that you have, maybe even a business that you have. Look at this, for example. Now let's say you started a project named Hype. You could just download this and use this as a sticker or like a business card of sorts that you can give around so that people will know more about your work. So I'll save this because I'll save the photo. And then we will import calligraphy onto this design. Click the plus sign and then click the third option and then click from gallery. I'll delete the word hype. And then bring in this one. Alright, this is a very simple example of what it would look like to import your calligraphy onto a template. You can of course change the template. You can change it to this. This kind of background has, it's very deep, thus it will be better to bring in a calligraphy that has, it's white, that the font is white. So you can go back, go to Calipro and bring in one of our designs, but using white color. Right, we'll change the color to white. and then we will download the photo. Like always, make sure that the background is transparent. So we delete this one, click the third option, click from gallery, and bring in your calligraphy. Of course, we can always reduce the size. There we go. Very simple. You can add some English words as well. What is the English translation of كل عام وأنتم بخير? It's a prayer. May you be well every year. So we can add a text like that. May you be well. Click OK. Right, then we change the font. I'll just click this one. Maybe I should change it to this. Alright, we will change the color to white. And then we will reduce the size. Then we add an extra text. Or rather, maybe we can just edit this one. I wanted to divide the text into two. Maybe we should increase كل عام a little bit. And this design obviously does not require any English text. Of course, remember what I said previously about adding elements. You can just bring in elements that we had downloaded previously. I'm not sure if the remove background effect exists. It doesn't really exist here. Anyways, we can bring in our own mandalas. There are lots of mandalas here. Just click one and add it. Of course, you can change the color. That is an example. I think we should remove the text. It doesn't really beautify it. There's another way we could design this, and that is to just spin this around and then increase it in size. And there we go. Simple. You can download this. Of course, design apps are for you to discover by yourself and see what works for you, what type of design you wish to do. Of course, remember you can always go online and sort of get ideas from other people's designs, replicate them, and basically train yourself as much as possible so that you can create designs, very beautiful designs for yourself, and maybe even make it for others. This is the end of the video. Thank you very much for joining me through this journey of digital Arabic calligraphy. Happy designing.